So you guys are saying that the circuit just caught on fire by itself. Okay, seems like the memory chip is still intact. Let's try this. Each of you describe the things you've written to the chip. I'll compare them to the chip's memory. If it seems reasonable, I'll give you partial credit.
On Saturday, I bought a bottle of orange juice from CVS before coming to school. I placed it on my desk, took out my computer, and started reviewing the Logisim simulation that Noam sent me.
We went to the 8th floor to print our data sheets and stuff, but they were out of paper in the colored printer, so we couldn't print it there.
So here's the thing, I designed a box so the breadboard can fit into the box and our presentation looks very nice.
On Sunday, I was figuring out this neural imaging headset thing that is required for us to have interface with our circuit, getting familiar with its inputs and outputs so that we can gain access to the memory we wanted. So we went upstairs trying to print whatever document we have, but apparently all of the printers are out of paper, so we had to go to this plotter room where there's a single large printer.
I used the stripper to make a lot of baby wires because all of the chips need to be connected to power and ground, so it makes it more efficient for wiring later on.
I got LEDs, put it on a perf board, and then I soldered it together to make an LED matrix. Sunday was a pretty chill day for me. I just, unrolled my box, and then I sent it to the ASLAF so they can laser cut.
We needed a really good wire stripper to speed up the process, but when I went to check for it in the drawer, it wasn't there. So I was in so much stress. I literally shot off from the building, but remembered to close the drawer, of course, and flew to this hardware store down 2 avenues.
I needed a cardboard box for the circuit components, so I went down to the basement of the foundation building because I remembered that they had boxes there in the pipe room.
I had to get chips for our circuit, and then I had to download the data sheets from TI. Fun fact, they make all the chips in the world. It's crazy, I know. And then after I downloaded the data sheets, we were all ready to go.
Okay, I've got everything written down. I'll provide you with the feedbacks later this week.